Hi, my name's Becca. Welcome to my channel, Everyday English Every Day. Now, I'm going to give you guys a learning plan, kind of some tips to follow when you're using my videos to practice, right? To hopefully improve your English skills and gain more confidence in the language. Now, I have authentic conversations with real people, my friends usually, right? And I take parts of the conversation out and focus on them with you in these videos. All right, so remember, you need to be consistent. You need to find at least 10 minutes every single day to practice. And remember, learning English doesn't happen like this, right? It's a process. You need to be patient and put in the time. Taking risks is part of the process. Making mistakes is how we learn. So we need to be okay with learning from our mistakes because mistakes help us grow. All right, so the first thing you should do is watch the video. Watch it one time without stopping. You can repeat the phrases after me in the video, right? That's important. But don't worry about understanding it. Just watch it one time through. Then you can write out the phrases in your English notebook. It's important to have a place to put all of your information to review, okay? And then you should watch the conversation one more time in the video, right? Now, the conversation I usually have with a friend or just the parts that are the repetition parts of the video, those should be played again, okay? You need to focus on pronunciation and intonation when you are repeating the phrases. But here's a quick tip. Now, if it's too fast, you can slow down the recording. You can click on this button, the settings, and then you can go to playback speed and you can change it to 0.75, and that will make the video play slower. It's a good thing to do for the first time, maybe the first 2 times, to get used to what's happening. Now, when I talked about pronunciation and intonation, pronunciation is the way a word sounds. Intonation is how the voice goes up and down, how it gets higher and lower. So, what is pronunciation and intonation? Right? Did you hear how you could tell it's a question, right? By the way I say it. That's intonation. Step 2, practice the phrases. Watch the video again. If you don't understand the phrases, look them up. Add the meanings to your notebook. Use the phrases in your own sentences. You can share these sentences in the comments and I can review them for you. So, for example, you have this list of phrases. You can make up your own sentences. When we met, I thought you were a nice person. My mom always encouraged us to play sports. All right, step 3, passive listening. You don't always have to listen actively. Passive listening is that you're not really focusing on what you're hearing. It's in the background. It kind of helps us absorb what's happening. When we listen, our goal is to understand all of the details, right? But passive listening is just kind of having it on in the background. Maybe when you're driving, riding the bus, cooking dinner, cleaning the house. Listen to videos, listen to these videos, right? And you will be picking up more and more as time goes on. And step 4, check your understanding, your comprehension, and your improvement. Watch the video another day, a different day, and see if you're able to understand more than the first time. Share the video with your friends and talk about the topic using the new vocabulary. Be sure to watch videos every week. I post videos on Mondays, and now I'm also sharing videos on Wednesdays too. So you can have 2 times a week that you can get new videos. All right, guys, remember, it's a process. It takes time. The key is to enjoy the process. Bye-bye, guys. Let me know how I can help you. Send me an email. My email is in the description below. Bye-bye.